Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the difference between standard and premier Robinhood banking benefits. Robinhood banking is tied to a Robinhood Gold membership and splits its active users into two distinct relationship tiers based on your assets under custody and meeting a monthly direct deposit requirement of at least $1,000. The standard tier is designed for members with under $100,000 in assets under custody. Under this tier, you get access to high yield rates on your savings, zero fee in network ATMs, and checking and savings accounts with up to $2.5 million in FDIC insurance through partner suite networks. However, standard users face standard service fees, including out-of-network ATM fees of $2.50, standard wire transfer fees of $25 to $30, and cash delivery fees reaching up to $6.99. The premier tier unlocks once your total assets under custody reach or exceed $100,000, alongside maintaining the monthly direct deposit requirement. The premier tier removes or heavily discounts routine banking friction fees. Premier members receive full fee rebates or zero fees for out-of-network ATMs, completely waived fees for outgoing domestic and international wire transfers, and a reduced fee for on-demand cash delivery services down to $2.99. Both tiers share core advantages like joint and kids accounts, physical debit cards, and premium lifestyle access, but the premier tier scales away transaction and service penalties for high-balance clients. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.